Hello again out there, Dark Age of Camelot community. You got Josh here with yet another test video. I have figured out how players on Unknowingly are hitting so hard with their one-hand weapons that are exceeding their damage caps. It is a combination of the damage bonus being applied from the melee style and the weapons being used. Okay, now you will notice I have weapons with varying DPS levels. Okay? The reason I went with weapons for varying DPS levels, because I'm going to show you where to find the difference as I picked this hallowed sword up in housing over here on Gaheris, thinking, okay, no big deal. Except you'll notice when I did the video with saving Zeres, I actually killed those enemies pretty quickly. Well, I started checking my combat damage and coruscating mine, and I've already filed the appeal on it. Okay, I'm able to hit yellow mobs for my damage cap at level 50. Okay, and as we already know, that can't be done legitimately in the game. Alright, so that's why I got this little test going. Alright, you'll see I have right now a Cobalt Stiletto and a Quartz Longsword equipped in my weapon slots. Okay, I decided to use champion level abilities with similar damage bonuses. Okay, very low and very low. Now the reason I use these is, notice, with champion abilities you can use any weapon. Any weapon can use a champion ability melee style. Okay, it does not even have to be a spec weapon. It can even be this right here, Cursed Staff. Okay? In fact, I'm going to move my Cursed Staff down into my list of weapons. Because you will notice, okay, I've got a shillelagh here. I've got, a hammer for fixing everything. I've got a spear for those who like to use spears with Lurricane because they're high dexterity. I also have a great sword. Okay, I've got a couple one-handed swords and a couple thrusting weapons. And of course, the staff that heroes cannot stack. Alright. Alright, I don't really need the celerity for this, so we'll hold off on celerity. Okay, but first, we're going to go ahead and target the level 1 training dummy. Okay. Now, if you watched my comprehensive test on melee damage, you know this is how you find your damage cap. Alright. Okay, so this stiletto can melee a level 1 or a Grey Con for a base damage of 69 with a 10% melee bonus damage. Okay, now do you see that little number in parentheses where it tells you you landed your style perfectly? Pay attention to that. Okay, now there is a little bit of a variance in the two styles. You'll notice Counter Assault is hitting for a damage cap of 97. Magic is getting its 3 times bonus like it should because it's got a 75 damage heat proc. Okay, I don't have any magic damage bonus or spell or Mastery of Magery on this. Okay, so there is a little bit of a variance, but they both get very low damage bonuses. Alright, so I'm going to show you the difference. Now, the bonus multiplier was very high on the level 1. Okay, that'll change based on the level of the enemy you're facing, but if you are facing a level 50 player, okay, so see how it went to plus 8? Notice I'm only hitting for 40 damage. Plus 7, plus 8, plus 6. Plus 10, plus 12, plus 10. Okay, let's go ahead and equip the Cursed Staff. Now this is an unspec'd weapon. 16 plus 20 plus 18 plus 12. So see, the bonuses are ranged and the damage is ranged. All right. Let's try the quartz longsword. Plus 12, plus 11, plus 16, okay, so we've tested an unspec curse staff, we've tested a blades weapon, okay, we've tested a thrust weapon, let's try a spear. Plus 13, plus 12, plus 11, plus 17, two plus 14s, a plus 20. All right, let's try a great sword. I think that's large weaponry is the only one I haven't covered so far. Plus 13, plus 13, plus 12, now you may notice occasionally, even when the bonus is lower, that the damage is still higher. That's because both are ranged. That can happen. It's rare when it happens, but it does happen from time to time. That's just a scaling in the range. I don't know how to correct that. But now, the hallowed sword that I picked up from housing, because we see we got a consistent multiplier. Okay, somewhere between 6 and about 20 is normally what's added. I don't know if that's a percentage or actual number of points. I know it is a value to pay attention to. Look, plus 26, plus 26, plus 31, and look at the difference in damage. I'm destroying this training dummy right now. Plus 31, I believe this will go over 40 when I tested it before I made the video. But look at my damage bonus. Yeah, plus 40, 226 on a very low damage bonus. So clearly this is the gear. Like I said, I have already filed the appeal. Okay, I have given all the information to customer service. This is how they are doing it, though. They are using hacked gears. This is confirmed. Okay, you will not be able to see this when you are going against them because you're not going to see their damage bonuses. You're only going to see the damage they hit you for. Okay, this is something you would have to confirm on their screen. And I'm going to go work on getting a legitimate sword so I can, have legitimate results. Take care, and thanks for watching.